Good day, everyone. We are the Group 3, and we are tasked to conduct Activity 1 entitled How Are You Able to Extract DNA? Our group is assigned to do the experiment Model 3. Before we proceed to the laboratory proper, let's buckle ourselves with the necessary materials to protect ourselves. So, here are the personal protective equipment you need to wear to ensure laboratory safety. The first one should be the laboratory gown, and then the face mask, and lastly, the gloves. Now that we are done in wearing our different protective equipment, let us proceed on the experiment proper.
Here are the experiment materials: liquid measuring cup, mortar and pestle, knife, strainer, 70% ethyl alcohol, cups, measuring spoons, salt, water, and the plant materials, which are namely papaya, tomato, onion, and banana. Preparation and procedure for the biological sample.
Measure 40 ml of water and put it in a cup. Then, swoosh the water for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, spit out the water into a plastic cup.
Measure 1 teaspoon of salt.
In the cup with the biological sample, add 1 teaspoon of salt and observe what the salt does.
Add 2 teaspoons of liquid soap solution and stir well. Using a strainer, separate the liquid portion. Next, add 2 teaspoons of 70% ethyl alcohol.
Observe and take note for the change of the biological sample for 1 minute, 30 minutes, and lastly, 2 hours.
Preparation and procedure for the plant materials.
In a liquid measuring cup, measure 250 ml of water. Add 5 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid and stir well.
Preparation for the plant materials.
Cut the plant materials into small pieces. Mechanically grind each plant material individually with a pestle to break it down into smaller pieces.
Next, measure 1 teaspoon of each plant material and put it in a cup. Procedure on the experiment of plant materials. In a cup with the plant material, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of the liquid soap solution and stir well. Next, using a strainer, separate the liquid portion of the plant material. After straining, add 2 teaspoons of 70% ethyl alcohol. Lastly, observe the plant material for 1 minute, 30 minutes, and 2 hours. Next, for the plant material banana, same steps will be followed. Next, for the plant material papaya, same steps will be followed. And lastly, for the plant material tomato, same steps will be followed.